everybody, welcome back to Villains and Vice. I am Beth, and I am here today with more Villain Wishables. September trips to Walt Disney World, they just happened to drop the Villain Wishables in Disney stores, and I guess I'm naive and didn't realize that one, they would sell out so quickly, and two, that they wouldn't be available on Shop Disney. So I got the Headless Horseman and just 2 bags because that's what they were limiting you to in the stores, and that was that. And you know, I went and I opened them and I came home and it's like the next day people were going to get them and they were completely sold out. I was like, oh, that's wild. You know, I wish I had gone to Disney Springs and gotten a couple more bags to at least like complete the set, you know? It's weird that they limit you to 2 when there are more than 2 in the collection. You can get Hades, Cruella, Scar, Maleficent, plus there is a red Hades, and there's also the out of the bag Headless Horseman. Uh-oh. Sorry, I don't know if I took my allergy pill this morning. Oops. So anyway, they announced that they were going to have them on Shop Disney. So I was like ready with my trigger finger, and I put 5 in my cart, and I looked at Mike and I was like, is that enough? And he looked back at me like I had lost my mind. So I got 5. So like I said, I already have the Headless Horseman, Maleficent, and Blue Hades, so I am trying to get these 2 middle characters here, Scar and Cruella, and you know, maybe I'll get lucky and get the red Hades, but you know, if I don't, I don't. So I guess without further ado, let's break into these bad boys. There's something very satisfying about opening them, I have to say. Cruella! Oh man, she is so soft. Oh, I love her. I love her. We are doing a big family trip at Disney World for Halloween. We started doing it a couple years ago for Mike's 40th birthday. That trip was insane. We had 25 people come down with us. It was awesome. But our family's kind of decided that that's like our favorite time to go down. The weather is great. We get to see the Halloween stuff, and then we also get to see the beginning of the switch over to the Christmas stuff. So it's kind of the best of both worlds. And this year's gonna be extra fun because my brother and Sarah's brothers, my 2 cousins, will also be coming down. So they don't usually accompany us, so that'll be extra fun. So what was I talking about? Oh, anyway, so on the 30th and the 31st, we have costumes planned, and the first day we are going to be Snow White characters, so we'll have the 7 dwarves and Snow White and the Wicked Queen, but on Sunday we're doing 101 Dalmatians, and I'll be Cruella. I'm very much looking forward to it, trying to decide if I should wear a fur coat because I'm sure it's going to be, again, 90 degrees, but I can always carry it, right? So anyway, I digress. I love her. She has the cute little wishable starry eyes. She is mad, but I love her. She even has her signature green eyeshadow and her, where's your ear, girl? Her jade earrings. And her perfectly sculpted eyebrows because she was a fashion model. She is put together, at least on the outside. Oh, so I'm very excited. So, all right, that's 1 down. No! posing as her friend. All right, so we'll have a tradable one. And another tradable one! Yes, guess what? It's Cruella. Okay, so I have friends at Disney Inside Andy, Karen, Abby Kate, and Andy, and they did a Wishables unbagging of cars on Wishables one time. And they got, I don't remember how many bags they had, but it was a lot. I think it was more than 5. And they were all of Sally. And I'm a terrible person because I've watched it a few times, and just laugh hysterically the whole time. And I am sure that this is karma for that. I had this coming, I should have known. I should have just gotten one bag. But so far, we've got ourselves 3 Cruellas. All right, bag number 4. Come on. Oh man. Okay. She's put her clothes back on. She's like taking her jacket off. Come on, girlie. There we go. Get that little hand out there. So it's Cruella. Oh man. What? Why? We have one last bag. And I have to be honest, not feeling great about it. So. Sorry, Belle. Bellie's here to help. Aww. All right. All right. Okay, it was definitely karma. I had it coming. I had it coming. So, I have the 3 that I had before, and now I have 5 Cruellas. So if anybody out there has a scar that they would like to trade for a Cruella, please let me know, because I have Cruellas for days, and I'm sure nobody has a red Hades, but if you do, I mean, hit me up. Thank you guys for watching. Maybe you could have sent more good vibes my way. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate the support as always. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye.